Diva2 here. Today I'm showing you something new that I found in a store. I got this from Walmart. This is the Chosen Foods avocado oil Mayo traditional. So it's 12-ounce bottle. It's glass. It is like traditional mayo but better. Make the switch and experience a mayonnaise made with cleaner ingredients and the same taste. It's non-GMO. 100% pure avocado oil and has cage-free eggs. Some of the ingredients to have is avocado oil, egg yolks, filtered water, organic whole eggs, organic dissolved white vinegar, organic spices, mustard seed, and a little bit more ingredients. Pretty much everything looks like everything is organic. And it's a product of the USA. And looks like per tablespoon it's 100 calories. This is some of the mayo on a spoon. I didn't get to make a sandwich today, so looks like it has the same consistency as your regular mayo. So yep, that is it for this product. Thanks for watching.